Some memories you make and some you eat.
Can you remember your favorite, what was your birthday meal that mom made you?
This takes me back to my childhood. If food were a love language, that would be my love language.
Okay.
Those are rice noodles for you.
Mom's mac and cheese, which is, it was one of my favorite things growing up, and it just reminds me of my childhood and my mom.
She was a woman of personality and character and was on every committee, and they spent their whole life teaching, and so they just loved education.
She was a educator.
Well,
I owe it all to my mom. She's a great cook, and her love language is food, right?
She's the best host. She makes everyone feel so welcome.
A little bit more magic in the recipe.
Flavors in there.
You know,
We knew she would. We were big eyes. Are snappy.
One little trick our grandma always did is that she would just test the corner. I remember her vividly
Watching
doing
you
that.
guys, this is
Always
amazing.
test the corner to see if the oil is ready, and when it bubbles,
it's hot enough.
Oh, you got a little
Get me.
brush right there. You got it.
Mhm.
I got you.
Good girl.
I got you.
Thanks. Oh, we've had such a fun week here in the Studio 5 kitchen. Memories really are made in those kitchen spaces. Today is our final day of the Making Memories series. We may have saved the best for last. I'm joined by Sweet Tooth Fairy founder, Megan Faulkner Brown. Listen, there's already been some serious excitement in the last 3 minutes during that commercial break. Whew.
True.
We had to murder a fly, and Megan's beater started to just attack her. I mean, it's been a minute. Are we good?
We are so good.
All right.
So good.
You believe memories are made one batch at a time.
Absolutely, without question. And I agree. I feel like so many memories are of sitting up to the kitchen counter and just tinkering and playing and trying to help,
Yeah.
you know? So I love the kitchen. It's my favorite place to be.
And I envision, we know you have your commercial kitchen where you're, you post snippets now and then on social media, and it's the dream space, right?
Yeah,
With the
it's awesome.
sprinkles and the frosting tips. What is your home kitchen like? Is it that same busy flurry of activity and memory making?
Yeah,
Yeah.
for sure. It's funny. People often ask me oh, do you still cook or bake at home? And I do. Yes.
You come home and bake.
Yes, because I love it. I know it sounds
No,
crazy.
I love that.
And my kids and my mom, my cute mom lives with us, and so she does projects with the kids too. And they all, I'm hoping we're instilling confidence in the kitchen, right? So that then they can go into society and make their own food.
Well, get us prepared to go into society and
Okay.
make a treat. What are we
I have
dishing up today?
So here's the thing. So I grew up on these cookies, here cookies, as snickerdoodles.
Yeah.
Okay, but snickerdoodles don't normally have Hershey Kisses on top.
Yeah, what's the cookie with the kiss on top? That's the peanut butter.
Like peanut butter kisses. But my cute mom, from the time I could remember, this is always what they looked like. And so as I got older and people would make snickerdoodles, I'd be like, that is not a snickerdoodle.
Where's your kiss?
Where is the Hershey Kiss? So we're gonna bust them out real quick.
Okay, and I love that that's a signature. Like a little something that for you is mom's, little showing of love.
Just a little bit.
All right, cream it up, sister.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna cream some butter and sugar, and I know we're limited on time.
Well, no, but should I remind people that Megan and I are on a quest to get our own cooking show? We're going to keep putting it out there. So basically, any time we spend together in the kitchen is just part of our demo reel.
Well, here's the thing. One of us in this kitchen can crack eggs with one hand, and it's not me. So
what? You can't?
No.
All right, step aside. I'm about to show up. I shouldn't brag it up this much.
No, you should. But
I
here's
have
the
the
thing.
skill necessary to show up the Sweet Tooth Fairy in this moment.
You crack them into a bowl so that, like you were telling me when there were shells in the... Okay.
Did you see what just happened? And I'll clean this up myself, but this is called a shell drop.
Yeah.
That's what just happened. That's what just
Shell, yeah.
And that's the line that will get us our show.
There we go.
Right there. All right.
Okay.
You really can't do this?
No. Just don't judge me, please, because we have our
It's so
strengths.
fun. So we do, once a week, we do Kodiak waffles and scrambled eggs for dinner.
Yes.
Judge me.
No,
but
breakfast for dinner's
that
the
was the
best.
night before last, and I was doing the one-handed crack in my own kitchen, and it didn't go as well as it did right then. And as I'm fishing out the bits, I'm saying to myself, there was no one in the kitchen but me. I had no one to prove.
No one to impress.
No one to, why did I do that? Anyway,
Okay.
but I'm
you
glad
were
it went well.
stepping in your own power in that moment in the kitchen.
Yes, I'm going to grab a towel. Keep going.
So
What are you doing?
So here's the thing, though. I always say, as like a little tip, to crack your eggs into a separate bowl anyway, because even those of us who use two hands, there are shells sometimes, and it's easier when it's isolated.
Good tip.
You know?
Good tip.
So, okay, so I creamed together butter and sugar, and then these little bad boys, they actually get some pudding.
Bad boys, bad boys. Did you watch that growing up? That was our family
Are
night.
we the nerd? We're so nerdy.
No, it was. We'd watch Cops as a family. Thanks, Mom.
Yeah.
Actually, it was Dad.
It was Dad.
I'm not going to throw Mom
Do you
under the bus.
mind finding me just a spatula that we could... Okay.
Yep.
So the recipe is available to you guys. But as a general rule, cookies, you cream the butter, sugared, mix your dry ingredients together, whisk them together.
Keep talking. I got it.
And then
I got it.
you beat them together till they start to actually come together.
Yeah.
But I do need a spatula because
I got you one right there.
I know.
Who's
You're
in
so
charge,
sweet.
the mixers or you? Step into your power.
These are not my mixers.
Oh, are these ours? Oh, these are possessed.
Yes.
Yeah, sorry.
So it's okay.
I made fun of them attacking you
Okay.
during the commercial break, but I thought you had brought your own.
No,
Always
I had
bring your
not.
own mixers.
Always bring your own mixer. Okay.
Ours are bad.
No, it's fine. So I'm just gonna, I'm just pulling this together a little bit.
Yep.
And then these also, another little signature thing that I've done to this recipe is add some cinnamon bursts. Also, not traditional snickerdoodle.
Oh,
you know,
but look at
traditional
that.
snickerdoodles are cream of tartary, which this has, but it's just like they're kind of, I think they're good. I think they're kind of like the sleeper cookie. Like people wouldn't actually normally just go straight for them.
Yeah.
But then when you eat them, you're like,
yes.
why is this not my favorite cookie?
What did you call those chips? The cinnamon burst?
Little bursts? Yeah,
little bursts of cinnamon. Okay.
So since my hand is a little bit
Yeah, what can I do?
better mixer.
Oh, a better tool than our beaters?
Yeah, I'm just going to plug also one of my favorite places here in Salt Lake, Orson Gigi.
Yep.
Okay, so these are called dishers, and these make your life so much easier in the kitchen because for anything, whether it's pancakes or tuna salad, or you can get equal proportions. I mean, it sounds weird, but like if we're making hamburger patties, it's like, okay, I'm just gonna take this like, you know, 2-ounce scoop and scoop my.
It feeds our OCD. Are we going big for these?
Yes, let's do big.
All right.
And then we're gonna roll it into some
not done yet.
cinnamon sugar. But I do love, okay, so some of us, right, we're into the like jumbo cookie situation. Just give it a roll, sis.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
But some people are a little more refined and maybe they are good at portion control.
I just cracked an egg with one hand. Do you have to do that?
You can use smaller scoops, but we're gonna go big.
Let's be refined.
You want, okay.
Let's be refined.
I
Now
see how
that you've put it on the table, I'm gonna polish myself up.
Okay.
I love you. All right.
Here's the thing. Here's the thing that we don't get to show you, but at home, this is the best part.
Okay.
So you bake your cookies like 8 to 12 minutes, depending upon how big you scoop them. And then when they come out of the oven, you unwrap your Hershey Kisses and you place them on top. And then while they're still cooling, they kind of melt. See this little rim around? Perfect. And then you just kind of press them down, and then it's like this perfect little surprise on top.
This is the stepped up snickerdoodle, the kiss-topped cookie,
shimmy.
the shimmied snicker that we can't wait to make.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Too late to order for Mother's Day. Don't call the shop. Oh, it's not?
Yeah, no, of course.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, all right. They're busy over there, but they can fulfill your sweet tooth fairy orders, and you hook us up all the time with great treats and snacks. Thank you so much. Happy Mother's Day.
You
Love
too,
you. Great
so
job.
much.
Tell Lynn
Thank you.
happy Mother's Day,
I
too.
will.